Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. First, let's open your photos. Then from here, scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. You can use your Face ID or PIN to open this one. On the top, click Select, then select all the photos you want to restore. Then click these three dots on the bottom right corner and hit Restore. Take note, you can only restore your photos or videos if they are still within 30 days from deletion. If you want to recover your photos after 30 days, click Settings and click your profile name, click iCloud, then click Photos and turn iCloud Photos on. Click Download and keep originals or optimize iPhone storage. Then return to the main screen and click Photos and wait if it works. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.